If you're a small business owner or a freelancer, chances are someone has told you you need QuickBooks. But do you? Do you really need a $30 a month tool with 50 features you'll never touch? Or do you just need a simple way to organize your expenses and be ready for tax season? In this video, I'm going to compare QuickBooks and Exilir Classify side by side, so you can decide which one actually makes sense for your situation. Let's get into it. First, let's set the stage. QuickBooks is the big name in accounting software. It's been around for decades. It does invoicing, payroll, inventory, tax filing, bank connections, the whole 9 yards. Their most popular plan, Simple Start, costs $30 a month. Exilir Classify is a different kind of tool. It was built for people who don't need all that. It focuses on one thing: organizing your expenses by category so you're ready when tax season comes, or when your accountant asks for numbers. The basic plan is $7 a month. Premium is $15. So already you can see, these are very different tools at very different price points. The question is, which one do you need? Let's break it down. Round 1, pricing. Let's start with money, because that's why we're here, right? QuickBooks Simple Start is $30 a month. That's $360 a year. And that's their cheapest plan. If you need more features, you're looking at $60 or even $200 a month. Exilir Classify Basic is $7 a month. That's $84 a year. Premium is $15 a month, $180 a year. And the premium plan includes everything. So at minimum, you're saving $276 a year by going with Exilir Classify. That's money back in your pocket. Winner, Exilir Classify. Round 2, ease of use. QuickBooks is powerful, but let's be honest, it's built for accountants. The dashboard has a dozen menus. There's a learning curve. You'll probably need to watch tutorials just to set it up. A lot of small business owners sign up for QuickBooks and then never use half the features. Exilir Classify was designed to be simple. You import your transactions, you classify them, and you export a report. That's it. 3 steps. No payroll setup. No chart of accounts to configure. No accounting jargon. You open it, and you know what to do. If you've ever looked at QuickBooks and thought, this is too much for me, you're not alone. And that doesn't mean you're bad with money. It means you need a simpler tool. Winner, Exilir Classify. Round 3, expense tracking. Now let's talk about the core task, tracking expenses. In QuickBooks, you connect your bank account directly. Transactions flow in automatically. You categorize them using their chart of accounts. It works, but you're giving QuickBooks your bank login credentials. Some people are fine with that. A lot of people are not. In Exilir Classify, you download a CSV from your bank, Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo, whatever, and you import it. No bank login required. You classify each transaction, and you can create keyword rules so that next time, it classifies automatically. For example, every time Office Depot shows up, it automatically goes to supplies. Every time AT&T shows up, it goes to utilities. The more you use it, the faster it gets. The difference? QuickBooks is automatic but requires bank access. Exilir Classify is manual import, but you stay in full control of your data. Winner, it's a tie. Depends on what matters more to you, convenience or privacy. Round 4, features you actually use. Here's where it gets real. QuickBooks gives you invoicing, payroll, inventory tracking, sales tax, 1099 management, project tracking, mileage tracking, time tracking. I could go on. But if you're a small business owner or freelancer, how many of those do you actually use? Be honest. Most people use maybe 10 to 20% of QuickBooks. Exilir Classify gives you CSV import, expense classification, keyword rules for automation, category reports, archive management, and CSV export. Plus, it's fully bilingual, English and Spanish. It doesn't try to be everything. It does one thing, and it does it well. Organize your expenses. If you need payroll and invoicing, then yes, QuickBooks makes sense. But if all you need is expense tracking and reporting, you're paying for a lot of features you'll never open. Winner, QuickBooks for full accounting. Exilir Classify for expense tracking. Round 5, who is it for? Let me make this simple. QuickBooks is for you if you have employees and need payroll, You send invoices to clients regularly. You manage inventory or products. You have a dedicated accountant who works inside QuickBooks, or your business does over $500,000 in revenue and needs full accounting. Exilir Classify is for you if you're a freelancer, small business owner, or self-employed. You just want to track and categorize your expenses. You want something ready for tax season without the complexity. You don't want to give apps your bank login. You speak Spanish and want a tool that works in your language. Or your accountant just needs a clean report, not access to your software. Be honest with yourself about what you actually need. Don't pay for a Ferrari when a reliable pickup truck gets the job done. Let's look at the final scoreboard. Pricing. Exilir Classify wins. Ease of use. Exilir Classify wins. Expense tracking. It's a tie. Features. Depends on what you need. Who is it for? Different tools for different people. The bottom line? If you need full-blown accounting, QuickBooks is the standard for a reason. But if you're a small business owner who just needs to organize expenses and get a clean report for your accountant or for tax season, Exilir Classify does exactly that for a fraction of the cost. If you want to try Exilir Classify, the link is in the description. You can start free and see if it's the right fit for you. The basic plan is just $7 a month. That's less than one lunch. And if you're thinking, but I'm not good with technology, the tool was literally built for people who aren't accountants. It's simple, it works, and it's bilingual. If this video helped you decide, hit that like button and subscribe. I'm making more videos comparing tools and showing you how to manage your business without overcomplicating it. Drop a comment below. Are you currently using QuickBooks, or are you looking for something simpler? I read every comment. See you in the next one.